Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2008 Lexus GX470 Maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use this button right here and just that button. Now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, we are on the trip A right now. Go ahead and press this button, go find ODO. Just like that. Okay, when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. And when you're doing this, when you're resetting, this light right here, the maintenance required, will flash. It will start flashing, and when it turns off, then you're good. Now go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button. Press and hold, and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, the maintenance required is flashing. Wait for it. And there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.